Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. First verify whether VS Code comes as the default application. See here we don't have the VS Code. So first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then download for Linux this .debian package, or click on download, then select this .debian for Ubuntu operating systems. Wait a moment. See, download started and its size is 111 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the code Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i code, then press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing 1.109.5. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select yes by using left and right arrows and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify. Show applications. See here we have the VS Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. The other way to open VS Code is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now, ls, this file is not recorded anymore. I am deleting it to clear the space. rm code, press the tab. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install latest version of Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.